Your time right now is 5:15, and as we've been talking about all weekend long, a massive winter storm is expected to bring snow, ice, and extreme cold to more than half the country this weekend. And residents really much everywhere are bracing for this impact.
And it's all people can talk about. You know, more than 230 million people are under National Weather Service alerts that now blanket every state east of the Rockies except for Florida. Cheryl Hubbard has the latest on the potential impacts of this storm.
People in 46 states are under weather advisories, watches, or warnings for this potentially historic winter storm.
31 years working for NOAA, there's only a handful of times that I can remember watches and warnings stretching 2,000 miles.
The storm's footprint will stretch from the plains across the south and into the northeast. In addition to the extreme and record-breaking cold, dangerous ice and heavy snow are major causes of concern.
This is going to be a mixed bag of precipitation, of sleet, freezing rain, and ice, all which will impact travel especially. Parts of Tennessee were under an ice storm warning Thursday. The ice set to hit southern states, expected to cause treacherous road conditions and extended power outages. Some states, including North and South Carolina, have already declared states of emergency.
Some locations could see winter weather like they haven't seen in years.
In Texas, where the governor has made a disaster declaration, officials say they're confident the deep freeze won't wreak havoc on their power grid, but warn residents about the potential for slick roads.
Roads will be dangerous, so staying off the roads is always the safest option.
Record-breaking cold with dangerous wind chills as low as -60 in some spots expected this weekend.
It's going to be dangerous just to walk out your front door in some cases, and traveling is essentially going to be a no-go by car or by plane.
I'm Cheryl Hubbard reporting.